kitty cat.
Yeah, kitty cat. Go play some more. You're good. No, flip it around. You know, flip it around. No, you can't do it that way. You're silly.
Mommy, how big?
Flip it around. Oh, that sounds really good. Play some more.
Mommy.
I'm taking a video of you. Hi, Kit Kat. You're coming too close to me. There are toys everywhere in here, huh? Go play for Dora. She likes it. Go find Dora. Go play for Dora. No, she's by the door. She's by the front door. Go play for Dora.
By door.
Yeah, she likes it. Play for Dora. Oh, you got your hair bow off, huh? Are you happy now? No?